YouTube, doing a premium bike check on my bike. It's a custom built premium with a they're fit 4-piece bars, race face lock-on grips, Textro brake lever, Odyssey cable. I don't know what kind of stem this is. If you do know, please comment. It has a leaf on it. FSA from the Pig headset. They're premium forks, and then I have a specialized front hub with a Sun Ringlay Rhino Light front rim with a Flybikes front tire. This is the frame. I don't know what model frame it is because that is in between the chainstay and the bottom bracket. If you do know, please comment. It would really help me. They're Fly Dolman cranks, 175. It's a kink 25 tooth chain wheel. I have stolen Thermalite pedals, KMC chain, Redline seat, Fit bike seat post, premium seat post clamp, Odyssey Evo 2 brakes. I have a Demolition Rogue cassette hub on the back with a 9-tooth driver. They're Demolition Zero rims with a stolen Tioga tire on the rear. Cool. I think I got everything. Comment, favorite, and subscribe. And if you do know what the frame and the stem is, it'd really help. Thanks.